You don't know me, but I know your bank account better than you do. I'm the Incognito Banker. I spent over 20 years inside Canadian banks. Retail strategy, risk, internal pricing, sales architecture. I've seen how it works from the inside. And now I'm going to show you how to use it, against them. Let's start with this. Banks make their real money when you're under pressure. They profit off missed payments, off your silence at renewal, off fees you forget to ask about. You think you're banking. They think you're leaking value. They've built the system to work best when you're not paying attention. And now, I'm going to teach you how to reverse it. From the moment you open an account, you're profiled. Your spending, your habits, your level of friction. They track if you ask questions, if you accept offers, if you click yes on default options. This isn't conspiracy, it's CRM and behavioral scoring. You're not valued, you're categorized. The trick? Knowing which category they want you to be in, so you can pretend to be that, until it suits you to change. Let's talk credit products. They'll offer you balance transfers, lines of credit, flexible payment terms. These aren't favors, they're containment tools. They don't want you to default. They want you to float. How to flip it? Accept their lowest rate, but keep your own payoff schedule. Don't extend terms unless you're moving money strategically. Treat their offer like bait, because that's exactly what it is. Here's one of the dirtiest tricks in Canadian banking: mortgage renewals. Most people just sign the letter. No phone call, no comparison, no fight. Inside the bank, we used to joke, loyal customers are the best margin. How do you beat it? Always shop. Get quotes in writing, then go back to your bank and say, I want the internal retention rate. That phrase, it triggers a flag on their system and unlocks offers they don't advertise. In 2023, the Big Five made over $12 billion in non-interest income. That's bank speak for overdraft charges, NSF fees, account maintenance, convenience penalties. These aren't random, they're modeled revenue. But here's how to flip the model. Switch to a digital first or credit union account. No fees, no surprises. Ask for fee reversals every time. They expect only 4% of clients to challenge charges. Be the 4%. Build a $500 buffer and keep it untouched. It's not an emergency fund. It's an anti-overdraft weapon. Every advisor you talk to, they have a sales scorecard, even if they call it service. The more products you hold, the more revenue you represent. The pitch sounds friendly, but the prompt comes from their dashboard. How to defend. Ask this every time. Do you personally benefit from recommending this to me? Then follow with, can you give that to me in writing? That single line derails the script. You'll see the tone change immediately. Banks invest millions in UX psychology, color theory, button placement, default toggles. They design friction into cancellations. They hide terms in layered menus. They nudge you toward agreement. Here's how you opt out. Never accept default settings. Disable auto-renew on any product. Review app permissions every 90 days, and if they offer a digital-only special, ask for a PDF version. Why? Because screenshots are leverage. The system runs on assumptions that you'll stay loyal, that you won't read fine print, that you won't compare offers, that you'll avoid conflict. So here's how to win. 1. Threaten to leave, and mean it. Banks only negotiate when attrition is on the table. 2. Ask for the discretionary rate. Every advisor knows what that is, it just won't show up online. 3. Treat your banker like a commissioned salesperson because that's what they are. You don't have to play nice, you just have to play informed. You were never supposed to know any of this. The silence, it was part of the model. But now, you've seen the machinery. You know the moves, and that means you're dangerous to their margin. I'm the Incognito Banker. I help build the system. Now I'm giving you the keys to beat it. They won't teach you this in school. They won't show you this in ads. But here, we talk about what's real. This is just the beginning. Subscribe for more insider banking intelligence. They won't tell you, but I will, at The Incognito Banker.